So I've created this blog post we'll be making use of. So we just have a dummy title and also the dummy content. So and then also I created a category for it. So every of it is in a category which is called retaining. So this is what we're having right here now in the Figma file. So let's go and design it. So first and foremost, let's work with the blog posts, our blog post. So for us to be able to do that, let's go to this and then, like we always do, let's duplicate this and then move it down to where we need it. So we need it here, so let's move it down to where we need it. Our blog post and then this as well. So the next thing we want to do now is just to create a container. So let's create a new, this is not what I want. So let's create a new container here. So the container, we set the margin to 0, we set the padding to 0. Also it is full width, and then the gap is, I'm setting it to 0 for now. So let's bring a post widget in Elementor. So I'm making use of post widget in Elementor itself. So this is what I'm making use of. This is what I want to make use of, post widgets. So and then we want it to be from retaining. So for us to do that, we have to include the terms and then so retaining. So this is where we want our blog post to be coming from. Can you see? This is where we want it to be coming from. Pagination, new pagination. So let's also set the padding rise 128 pixel and also the padding left 128 pixel. So this is what we want to do. So and then we have to style it to this now. So to some extent, look at the meta description, and you also have a meta description here as well. You also have a text, which is the title. You also have a text, and also have a readme. So let's do it one by one. Let's start from the text. Let's start from the box. Can you see? We're having, let's set all this to 0 first. So let's go down to the contents and then let's see what we have there. So the title, I want to set the title to this. This is the title we are making use of. The title color rather. This is the title color. And then don't forget the separator we want to make use of in this place is just pipe. Yeah, we are making use of pipe, and then we also need the date and then the author name. So in the case of this, we don't need this, we just need the author name. Yeah, date and the author name, that's what we need. So in the case of readme, we don't need to, so we just want to read more. So read more, that is what we want now. So let's publish this and then let's see what we have in our front end. So you can see it's now. Let's refresh this page. So I want to inspect the post content, and then I want to get some selector from it, and then I'll paste it some custom CSS class, some custom CSS style in it. But before that, let us do it. Let us inspect it, and then let's see what we have here. So it is still loading. So now load. I don't know why that one is taking too much time to load. So I want to inspect one or two elements here. So let's just inspect it here. Let's just copy the selector here, and then let's see what we have here. This is the style I want to give it. In the case of this, let's just copy this first, and then let's see how it's going to work. Before that, let's copy all this one. So this one will just come from Elementor. Let's copy this and paste it here. So this is what you want to make use of right now. So we are making use of this. Then, so in the case of this, so I want us to copy this page. Look at this one now, goes 2 to 1. So you can just make use of this and then just change the number of the font, change the number of the posts, since we are getting 2 to 1 from there. So let's do something like this. So this one just be 2 to 1. Then let's see if it is going to work, because it's come from Elementor. Everything are the same thing. So yes, it seems it's working. Yeah, you can now see it's working correctly now. It's working correctly. So this is what we want to do right now. So let's now go back to the content, and then let's give it some styling. This is the box right here. we're having 16. Having a background color of what? Where's the background color we're having? Can you see? So the padding should be what? 24. Let's check the padding from the design. Yeah, padding is 24. Yeah, that's it. There we are. So we've been able to get what we want to do. So by making use of the custom CSS. So in the case of this now, let's now start styling the header. The header is what? 32. The font size is 32 pixel. Not this. I'm not making up the meta description. The header is 32 pixel, and then the font weight is 600. That's 32 pixel and the font weight is 600. So from this now to this one now, so you just want to check this. That's 24, and then also 24. So let's type the meta description. The meta color is what? What's the meta color we have in it? This is the meta color. Yeah, this is the meta color. Typography is what? Typography is 16. So we are having 16 pixel. Yeah. So what are we having there now? Spacing 24. You can see here we're having 24 here. So let's now start the content, the accept. So for the accept, we are having what here? This is the color. This is the color of the accept, and then the size is 24. I don't want us to make use of 24 because it will be too big. So let's just make use of 18. And then the line height is 40 pixel. That one also is not giving us what we want, but let's make use of 25 or 30. So we are getting what we want right here now. So let's start the read more button. The read more button now is this. So in this case now we're having what? I don't know why this one is not changing. We're having Sora. We're making use of Sora, and then it is what? 16 by 16, and then the width is 600. So do they underline it? So we have a decoration to be what? Underline. Yeah. So we are good to go. So let's check the mobile. Let's check it on the mobile mode. So in this now, we just want it to be what? We want this to be 40 by the right, 40 by the left. So we are good like this. Yeah. So and then also on the what? On the mobile mode, so we want this one to be 20 by the right, by the left, and then 20 by the right. So we've gotten our desired result now. So this is what we want. So let's now publish it, and let's now can view it. So I've published that already. So this is what we have right now. So we've designed the header section, we've designed the hero section, the service section, and then it's quite functioning. The carousel is functioning, and then also these are also there. So we've also designed the blog post. Then the next thing for us to do right now, it is the footer section. So let's check this. This one has loaded. You can see it now. So the next thing for us to do here, and then which is the last thing, is to design the footer section. So I'll be meeting you guys in the next session. Thanks.